Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Knottie Macrame. Today I will teach you how to make this beautiful holder here. It's a perfect decoration for your home in a shape of flower. You can use it not just only for flower vase like me, you can use it as a pot holder, a jar holder, or even using as a candle holder. In this tutorial, I will make a holder for my vase which is 8 cm or 3 inches in diameter. And if you are planning to make a holder for a vase larger than my size, feel free to add more petals or cut in longer cords in each petal so you will be able to add in more layer in each petal to fit your vase. We begin to make the first petal by folding one cord in half and secure it with pins on your knotting surface. This cord will be used as the ankle cord. We bring the right ankle cord up. Take another cord and pass it under the left ankle cord. Make sure the right end is 10 cm or 4 inches longer than the left end. Now we tie one vertical double half hitch using the right end as your working cord and the left ankle cord as your filler cord. After finishing the first knot, we push it up to the middle point of the anchor cord. Now continue tying 4 more vertical double half hitches with 4 more cords. Now we bring the right anchor cord down and use it as your filler cord. The 5 cords below it are your working cords. To tie 5 double half hitches next to the first 5 vertical double half hitches. We also need to tie one double half hitch with 2 cords in the bottom. The right cord will be your filler cord and the left cord gonna be your working cord. This is the closing knot for the first layer of your petal. We are going to make the second layer of the petal by bringing the top left cord down and use it as your filler cord. The 5 cords below are your working cords. Make sure you tie the knot close to the vertical double half hitches in the beginning. We do the same on the right by bringing the top right cord down and use it as your filler cord. But this time you're gonna knot 6 double half hitches using the 6 cords below as your working cords. The last knot is the closing knot for the second layer. Keep repeating the same technique to create 4 more layers each side of your first petal. Remember, if you are planning to make a holder for a larger vase or pot than mine, you can add 1 or 2 extra layers here. We just completed the first petal, and as you can see, the petal will curl itself during the knotting and give it a 3D effect. Continue creating 4 more petals using the same technique of the first petal. Next, petal. The rest of the course are your working course, except the course of the berry nuts. Make sure you leave the 4 cords of each berry nut unknotted. Continue to tie double half hitches around the holder. And now we tie one double half hitch with two ends of the bottom cord to complete the circle. For the next step, we divide all the cord to 5 groups. There are 16 cords on each group. You also need to divide the 16 cord to 4 groups, and there are 2 groups in the middle with 2 cords of each berry knot in it. And now we start making 4 square knots with 4 groups. For the next row, we're gonna skip 2 cords in the beginning and in the end to tie only 3 alternating square knots. And for the next row, continue skipping 2 cords in the beginning and 2 cords in the end to tie only 2 alternating square knots. And then for the last row, only 1 alternating square knot. For the next step, we use the third cord on the left and use it as your filler cord to tie 4 double half hitches with the next 4 working cords. Do the same on the right side. As you noted, the 2 bottom cords haven't been knotted yet, but we will knot it in a different way. First, we bring the right filler cord to the left and the left filler cord to the right. At this point, you will use 2 of them as 1 filler cord to tie 2 double half hitches with the 2 cords. And then you pull 2 ends of the filler cords to tighten the knots. As you can see now, the end point has the round shape instead of the triangle point. Repeat the same techniques to create 4 more leaves. We cut all the ends around 2 cm or 1 inch. For the 2 ends of the bottom cord, we bring them to the back and give them a single knot. After that, we use glue to secure the knot and then use scissors to cut the 2 ends close to the knot. Next, we use brush to brush all the ends to create the fluffy fringes. And then use scissors to trim them for a clean look. You just finish your own holder, and actually you can bend the petals in any directions that you want them to be. Thank you a lot for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. See you in the next one.